Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have another update on the OBS. Obviously the last video I started taking it apart, and we're going to continue on it. I mean, it's taken apart, but I'm just trying to give you an update on this. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. So I literally had to push it out here because we're going to have some concrete work done on the side where this was parked and in the back, and I'll show that in a later or another video. But yeah, ever since I took it apart, obviously cam was out, heads off, timing cover and everything, so it's still in that same condition. I still yet have to pull the harness, which I will. Probably going to be the next thing. Like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and make a video of me pulling the harness and, you know, illuminate and making it look all nice and pretty. But yeah, I had to move the truck over here to the side for now, and just to get it out of the way so they could do the concrete work on the side. But yeah, so it's still in the same condition. All the old stuff from here, like I mentioned, is going to go to Carlos's truck. And yeah, but well, today we got in some parts finally, and I mean, I already opened it, but because I couldn't wait. But our cam kit came in, and we're gonna go through that and what's gonna happen next with that, and we'll go from there. So down here is the cam kit, Texas speed, obviously. That's what I said I was gonna run, and we got it from Michigan Motorsports. I've bought a lot of parts from them before. Yeah, this one brand new dual valve springs. They come with the new valve stem seals and the retainer, titanium retainers. I could use the stock keys to put these in. Now, when I did order these, they had said that the push rods were on back order, but apparently they showed up, and we got the whole set here, which is good. That way, you know, we're not waiting on push rods. Apparently there's a shortage on material, and a lot of companies have expressed themselves that certain things are not being shipped because of shortage, and they're on back order. And then here we have the Texas speed cam. Specs are right there. This is a LS3 cam. It's a stage 2 NA cam, and it's a 229 over 244 112 LSA. So I mean, obviously I don't need to pull that out. You know what the cam looks like. And then here are the heads that I ported. These are cleaned up the best I could. I mean, I'm not a pro by any means, but they are nicely cleaned, and they're going to go to the machine shop. And as I had mentioned in a previous video, I ended up ordering LS3 valves. They're a little dirty, but anyways, LS3 valves come with that pink dot, and once again I'll share the part number. That's the part number to the LS3 valves. Whoever is looking for any of these, it's obviously a GM genuine valve. And I am going to run the stock exhaust valves, but what I was waiting for is to get the new cam kit to come in so I could take these to the machine shop, obviously to get cleaned up, valve job and all that, and new springs to be put on. But yeah, the kit was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but since nobody was home, I guess I couldn't drop it. And so yeah, that's where we're at now. And tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and drop off the heads at the machine shop to try to get them done. And the only other thing is I am gonna go ahead and probably put the cam in, new cam plate, and cover this back up, put the timing cover back on, as it's exposed right there. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update as far as where the truck's at, and yeah, like I said, still collecting dust. But yeah, the only other thing is I did get a walker for it, trutrac, and I'm gonna have that installed here after I get it running, and obviously get the harness all reworked and well, not reworked, re-loomed so it can look better than what it does there. But yeah, that's where it's at now, and this was what I was waiting for, so hopefully I can get this truck done here soon. The heads, it usually takes about a week just for the heads, depending on how backed up he is at the machine shop. But he's always done a good job on the turnaround, so I'm pretty sure I'll get these back pretty quick. And yeah, here's the porting I did. I mean, obviously they are dirty, but that's the intake side. Here's the bottom. That's the exhaust side. I mean, not too shabby for me doing it here at home. Like I said, the heads that came off of this truck were the original and first I ever ported, and ever since then, you know, I ported other heads for other people, and yeah, I mean, with practice you end up getting better and better. But yeah, the truck's still sitting here. Yeah, so I did order a trutrac, like I mentioned, a trutrac differential to put in, because the time that I raced my wife, it didn't go so well. So hopefully this time around we're able to catch traction and not spin like crazy like we did. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end off the video there. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the truck. And like I said, we just finally got the cam kit, came in, and surprisingly the push rods came with it, which is a good thing. Not in a rush, but I do want to get the heads done, put the cam in. I am going to do new lifters that I still haven't bought, but I am buying new lifters here soon. I want to get the engine put back together and sealed up. That way, you know, we ain't have no dust going in there and stuff like that. And then after I do that, then I'll pull the harness out and I'll just unloom it. You know, try to run the cab wires by themselves and separate from the actual harness that runs to the engine. That way it would clean it all up, and yeah, so that's where we're at now. And once again, guys, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, so obviously I was going to end the video, but before we end the video, I wanted to go ahead and show you the diff that I bought. So it's just the diff itself, it doesn't come with the bearings. The trutrac, it's 10 bolt, or not 10 bolt, well yeah, the diff is a 10 bolt, but this is a for the smaller diff, and comes with obviously the clip that goes in here. Once you put your axles in with the C-clips, this little round circle deal drops right in the center, and then this drops right in. The clip holds it in place, that way your axles don't pop out. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna probably just take it to the shop, have them do it. I don't want to take the risk of not doing something right, which could happen. But yeah, there's the diff, and hopefully we won't have no more traction issues once the truck is put back together, fully tuned, and see how it goes. Now, reminder, the truck does have a 4L60 right now, so that's probably going to be the next thing that's going to go on this truck, which I'm not surprised. But anyhow, there's the diff. I just wanted to add it to the video. And then one other thing I do want to say is, let me know how the video quality is. We are making the video with the new camera, and trying to put better videos out there as far as quality goes. And just comment below, let us know. Sorry for the wind. I know you can hear it throughout the video. And yeah, so like I said before, I was gonna end the previous part of the video. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time.